In this video, we're going to give you a full tour and review of the Hotel Atarazanas in Valencia Port in Spain. We'll show you the hotel, the view, the breakfast, and the room. We are Savor in Style. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos. This hotel is located right across from the Port of Valencia. Great location, about a 20-minute walk to the beach. We were there for a Cirque du Soleil show that they had put up right there at the port, and it was about a 3-minute walk from there. There's tons of bus and metro stations right across the street, right outside. There is parking right down below, not connected to the hotel or part of the hotel, but literally right around behind it. It was 19 euros a night. I think the best part of this hotel is the rooftop bar. It is on the 8th floor. Great views. You've got about a 270-degree panoramic view of the old town of Valencia, as well as you do get some view of the port itself. Really lovely. There is a bar up here. It is a 2-story section where you have seating sort of below and then seating in the bar above. It does not have any food. At least while we were there. I don't know if maybe other times of the year they do, but we were there in June. Lovely weather. Got a bit windy up there at night. I'm not sure if that was normal or if that was just, of course, that particular day. The bar itself was open till about midnight. Really nice space, actually. You can't fault it. I think that's the best part of the hotel, personally. The hotel itself was kind of nondescript, if you want my honest opinion. Pretty standard, just a typical little kind of overnight stay hotel. I wouldn't stay there for more than a night or two, to be totally honest. It was chosen by some friends because, like I said, we were going to Cirque du Soleil. But it was very functional. They had a nice breakfast downstairs. Utilitarian is pretty much the way I could describe this hotel. But you can't beat the view. Certainly at night, you can see all the lovely lights. And like I said, during the day, you could have a nice drink, weather permitting. Really nice space. Was not crowded at all when we were there. As you can see from the video, it was pretty much just me and my friends. And again, I don't know if that was just this time of year or the hotel itself, but very functional, nice little spot. The room itself, again, very functional. It was 2 twin beds pushed together. It was about 120 euros a night. And again, this was in June. Again, wouldn't say there was any particular perks on it. It's definitely not a 5-star luxury hotel, but if you're going with a, girls' weekend or something like that, there was plenty of space, plenty of closet space, a couple of drawers. You've also got a little safe there, of course. Yeah, plenty of room. It wasn't really the smallest room, certainly for a European hotel. You've got extra blankets and whatnot as well for the beds. You had a nice TV as well, and a couple of comfy chairs. So, all in all, not a bad spot at all. Next to the bed, you've got your night light as well as a European outlet, and of course your light switches with a little bedside table there. Same thing on the other side. You could have moved the beds apart if you had wanted. You do have the AC, which ran very nice and cool for us. There was no problem there at all. And you've got some other light switches, of course, there. It did have a little mini fridge, but I will tell you, it was not cold. I don't even think it was on, which was not a problem for us, but just FYI, if you were thinking about bringing something back for a late night snack, at least that particular one was not on. There were a couple of waters there for us. And again, the TV had a handful of English and, of course, Spanish channels. Next to the bed, you did have, I like this for the windows, though, there were persianas as part of that, which were electric, so you can go ahead and get full blackout, and it also kept the sun out, not as well as the heat, which was really nice. Nice touch on that. And then, of course, on this side of the bed, again, you've got your full outlet as well as your night light. It served its purpose, comfy, couple pillows on each side. It didn't have any blankets on the bed at this particular time of year. Like I said, they were in the closet. They were just sheets on the bed there for us. Bathroom, very utilitarian. Again, it had a not a walk-in. It had a shower over tub combo with the rain head shower as well as a handheld shower feature. Again, comfy, decent water pressure. This used to be the CU Hotel. It just recently changed names. So all of the branding and all of the towels and whatnot still all said CU Hotel on it. You did have your blow dryer, of course, trash can, and you had a little bit of amenities. You do have one European plug there, of course, and there was some hand soap as well as shower gel and shampoo. And then you've got your bidet, as you would expect in most Spanish hotels, as well as your fully functioning toilet, with a nice door for privacy as well. So breakfast was included with our stay, which was nice, at a nice separate breakfast room. You got your own hot and cold water there for you, and they will provide you with any kind of coffee that you would like, café con leche, whatever you would like to ask for. It was self-seating, just help yourself. It is a buffet. Lots of different table options, table for 2, 4, 6, whatever you would need there. There was a ramp that you could go up, so it was accessible, and that was nice as well. The hotel was fully accessible except for that very top floor for the bar section of the rooftop bar. It was just stairs, but you could take the elevator up to the seating area if you needed accessibility. Decent selection for breakfast. Your typical pastries, juices. You've got your jamon and your fresh fruits and your different kinds of cheeses and whatnot. There were fresh scrambled eggs, which I did appreciate, and a little bit of bacon, and there were hard-boiled eggs as well, and of course your bread and toast. So nice way to get the day started there for you. There was a little baby gym right up on the top floor there, right next to the rooftop bar. You could help yourself to, and there was also a sauna that you could use as well across the hall. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. We will see you again soon. Thank you again. We are Savor in Style. Bye-bye.